Well, folks, and welcome back again. And there is one more new notification from Uttar Pradesh Department has released now, and it is for UP Vidhana Parishad. Various posts are available now. So it got released on September 18, 2020. For this recruitment, the last date is 13th October 2020, and it is a completely based on online application mode. So it was started on 18th September 2020. Okay, so coming to the post names that which are available here, the total posts are 73 posts are given. So one for review officer. So for the review officer, the total vacancies are 19, and the eligibility they are asking is a bachelor degree. Okay, so coming to the age relaxation is 21 to 40, and the additional private secretariat. So for this, they are given 23 posts. So they are also asking the bachelor degree, and with a Hindi stenotyping with the word accuracy of 80 and typing speed is 25. So the age limit is minimum is 21 and the maximum is 40. So there were one more is the copywriter. So there are around of 9 posts are released. For this, they are asking only 12th is required, but the steno should be have 140 words per RPM. For coming to the English steno, they are asking 120 minimum. So coming to the age relaxations, minimum is 22 and the maximum is 40 here. You can see. So for this, and again there were a review officer accountant, so it is only one recruitment, one vacancy is there. And for this they are asking the BCom degree level O level exam certification. So the minimum age is 21 and the maximum is 40. For the research assistant, there are offered 3 posts, but they are asking the master degree in lecturer and the social subject with a 3 weeks experience. So coming to the age relaxation is a minimum 21 and the maximum is 40. For the security advisor male, they're expecting the minimum qualification is the 12th exam and the height must be 1.68 meters and the weight should be in between of 45 to 58 kgs. Okay, so there are around 5 vacancies are available for the security advice male. So the minimum age is 21 and the maximum is 40. So coming for the female, for the security advisor female, there is only one vacancy for the female thing. For this also they're asking for the 12th minimum, but the height is varying to the male comparing to the male. The height is 1.52 and the weight should be in between 45 to 58 kgs. So coming to the editor, there is also one more vacancy for the editor. They're asking the master degree in lecturer and the social subject with a minimum experience of 5 years experience, but the age should be in between of 21 to 40 years only. For special executive administrator, they're expecting the age relaxation is in between to 30 to 40, and the vacancy is one, and the qualification must be have the master degree in lecturer and social subject, and the least one is the servicer, like who service the normal things, right? So those peoples and their age relaxation is 18 to 40. There are around 40 vacancies are available. So people who have passed fifth grade, they are applicable for this. So candidates who are interested for the UP Vidhana Sabha Shikshalaya various posts can apply through the online. So I'll drop out the link, online link in the below description, so candidates can check out there. So remember that end date is the 12th October 2020, but the application was started on 18th September 2020. So as per the fee list, payment last date is the 13th October 2020. So for the complete form last date is the 16th October 2020. The exam date will be no, very soon. They will be notified after the completing of the recruitment applications. So coming to the application fee for general and OBC and others, they're asking of for 10 rupees per each head. For reserve candidates like SC and ST candidates, they're asking 800 per head. For physically handicapped candidate capits per head, they're asking as a 50. Okay, so every payment should be done with the credit card or debit card via net banking. So it's a free mode. There is no need of anything. So minimum asking is the qualifications and everything they have applied, and the age reduction also is given there. So interested peoples can apply now there. So this is the new equipment. Just think. Bye bye.